welcome to Poo's Amphitheater for high flyers. This afternoon, we're going to take you on a flight and journey through this colorful and wonderful world of birds. Now, we hope that you will be amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help our feathered friends from across the world. Right now, we're going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws in the wild. In the wild, macaws will congregate on palm trees to feast on palm nuts. Now, everyone, look up there. We have replicas of palm leaves where sunbirds are going to be landing on it. So everyone, let's welcome the birds. Look up there because we're going to have Gaia, our hyacinth macaw, the largest of the macaw species. Gaia has got two more best friends coming right up there. Here comes Lambo and Ferrari, the scarlet macaws. Now these beautiful birds can be found in the jungles of South America. In the wild, after feeding, they often go to rocky surfaces, just like right. Now this is Barry, our green-winged macaw. So come on now, clap your hands and go Barry, 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 Barry. Oh, he was tall. Very good. Okay, I'll put to the table. That was awesome. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, what I have here with me is the hollow tree trunk. What these two birds have to do is together fall through each, alright? Alright, we're gonna count to three. Everybody start to cheer. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Tell me who's the winner! Ah, that's the energy you're talking about. Very good. I love your supporters now. Dila, what happened? It's just a warm-up. What do you want now? One more match? Wait a second. Let me just ask everybody here, okay? What do you guys think? Shall we have one more game? You guys are really nice. Okay, their side said yes, your side said yes. We're gonna have one more game, okay? We're gonna give Barry here one more chance. Now, Barry supporters, you might want to cheer louder because the louder you cheer, the faster these birds are going to run. Alright, we're gonna count to three. Everybody start to cheer. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go! By just a split second, ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Barry! Wow, we have a draw, and it seems like both birds are very good at gathering food. So let's give it up for the fruit gathering macaws. Thank you, my dear friends. Well, yeah, but guess what? Experts believe that about 150 and 200 species of plants, birds, insects, mammals, and many other animals go extinct every 24 hours. Now, this is greater than the world has ever experienced since the vanishing of the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. Oh, by the way, toucans are very loyal. One goes, the other one will follow. Our Toko toucans! Hello?
Hello!
Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, now he's a very sweet bird. Check this out. What would you like to say? Oh, yeah, tell yourself. Introduce yourself. Tell them what is your name.
Amigo!
Amigo is his name. Now, for those of you who missed it, we're gonna try this one more time, okay? What's your name?
Amigo!
Amigo. Okay, now, Amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people?
How are you?
Oh, isn't he adorable? Now, he's also very smart, and he can count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
A perfect 10. Well done, buddy. And he can also count from 1 to 10 in Chinese. 很好. 很好 means very good in Mandarin, okay? Now he can also sing, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Now the first song is a local children's song titled Ker Lai. It means a guest comes to visit. Hey amigo, let's sing a song in Mandarin.
客人来，看爸爸，爸爸不在家，我的客人是我家，在这里飞呀。
There you go, amigo, ladies and gentlemen. Very good. And the next song originates from Indonesia. It's titled Rasa Sayang. It means feelings of love. Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat sudah jauh. Sayang, sayang,
Hey, what a wonderful song to be singing on this beautiful Sunday, right? Now the next one is an English song and happens to be a birthday song. So by any chance, we'd like to know if you are celebrating your birthday today. If it's a birthday, put your hand up. Anyone? You know it's birthday? Oh, we got a young kid's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Anybody else? Another young kid right up there. We have a total of 2. Anyone from the middle section? Anyone's birthday? None? Oh, we have 1 young kid. Happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Okay, how about anyone from here? Anyone here? Another kid. Wow, 5. Total 5 children celebrating. Okay, children, check this out. We'll sing this birthday song just for the fun of you. Ready, amigo? It's the special day. Let's sing.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Well, happy birthday to the 5 of you. Thank you for being here on your special day, okay? Now before amigo goes back home, can everyone say bye-bye, amigo? You guys are nice. Okay, now he will say goodbye to you, okay? Amigo, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
One more.
bye-bye,
Last one.
bye-bye.
Alright, can we give amigo here a big round of applause, please? Thank you. In trees. Now everyone, take a look at the hut right over there, and you can see a nest box. Now that nest box is similar to the nest boxes that we give our hornbills here in Jurong Bird Park. Now I'll be moving closer to you guys here on my left and right, so do remain seated again because any fast movements might startle the bird. Right? Just go up a little bit higher. Right, we're lucky to be able to see the hornbills up close and personal, right? Okay, spread your wings and fly. Are you alright, sir? Alright, in a short moment, Vicky will be inspecting the nest box. And only if she likes it, she will hop right in. Anytime now. And in she goes. What happens next? That these hornbills will seal the nest using soil, regurgitate the food, and even their own droppings. Hey Vicky, if you like a nest box, you can seal it up now. Oh, that was quick. Vicky, are you hiding? Oh, there she is. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here comes Alfred. Another great pied hornbill. Okay, now when the female is in the nest, she'll be inside for 3 to 4 months. Now during this time, male hornbills will have to find food to feed the entire family. Now here in Jurong Bird Park, we have been quite successful in breeding the oriental pied hornbills with nest boxes just like this. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have also released hornbills into nature reserves right here in Jurong Bird Park, as well as other parts of Singapore, of course. So after the show, open your eyes because you might spot free-flying hornbills anywhere out here. And plus, they used to be from Singapore. They have disappeared for more than 50 years, and we have brought them back here, back home. Hey, come land on my hand. Hey, don't like my hand? How about here, this hand? Okay, good. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hornbills can be found in Africa, continent of Africa and Asia. There are a total of 54 species of hornbills. Okay, time to fly from one end to the other end. Ready? And lift off. Our hornbill, ladies and gentlemen. From the Amazon rainforest of the South American continent comes the macaws. From our both there and there. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our grand finale of birds. Can we give them a big round of applause?